Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard business maths, chapter 3, exercise 3.2, ninth sum. See the sum. Determine the cost of producing 200 air conditioner if the marginal cost per unit is C dash of x equal to x square by 200 plus 4. See your book. Read the question. See marginal cost. Marginal cost MC. Marginal cost MC equal to, what is the meaning for that? Marginal cost MC equal to C dash of x, or what is the C dash? Dash means derivative. Marginal cost equal to dc by dx, cost with respect to x, that is derivative. So integral MC equal to integral C dash of x equal to, what is given? What is given in the sum? What is given? X square by 200. X square by C dash of x is given as what? C dash of x is given as x square by 200. X square by 200 plus 4. So you will write dc by dx equal to x square by 200 plus 4. dc equal to x square by 200 plus 4 into dx. Okay. So dc equal to C dc equal to x square by 400, x square by 200 plus 4 into dx, x square by 200 plus 4 into dx. So I want to find out the value of cost function C. So integral dc equal to integral, how many air conditioner you want to produce? First 200. So the limit is 0 to 200 x squared by 200 plus 4. If the limit is given, you don't put plus C. If the limit is not given, so you have to mention as plus K or plus C, because it is not a accurate value, it is approximate value. But the limit is given, that limit, the value should be in that limit. So C equal to x square, x cube by 3 into 200, constant as it is, you can write, plus 4x. What is the limit? 0 to 200. So C equal to x cube by 600 plus 4x, x cube by 600 plus 4x, limit is 0 to 200. So C equal to upper limit. What is the upper limit? 200 the whole cube by 600. What is the upper limit? 200 the whole cube by 600 plus 4 into 200. Upper limit minus lower limit is what? 0. Therefore, C equal to 200 into 200 into 200. What is the value we are getting? 80 lakhs by 600 by 600 plus 800 plus 800. So 20 get cancelled. You have a calculator, do the calculation part. C equal to 800 by C equal to 80,000. 80,000 by 6. C equal to 80,000 by 6. 80,000 by 6 plus 80,000 by 6 plus 800 plus 800. What is the value for this? What is the value for this? 13,333.33 plus 800. If you add, you can get the value. Cost function is rupees. Cost function is rupees 14,133.33. Check the values and the cost function, the cost of producing 200 air conditioner. The cost of producing 200 air conditioner. 200 air conditioner is cost of producing 200 air conditioner is rupees 14,133.33. Is it clear, children? It's a very important exercise. The board exam. See here. See the 10th sum. Important 5-mark question. 10th sum is very important 5-mark question. The marginal revenue function for a particular commodity is 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.3x, where x denotes the number of units sold. Determine the total revenue from the sale of 100 units. Exponential value, it is also given in your book itself. See your book. See, marginal revenue, MR. Marginal revenue is MR. Marginal revenue MR equal to 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.03x. 0.03x. So MR is nothing but what? dr by dx. dr by dx. Marginal cost is dc by dx. The same way marginal revenue is what? dr by dx equal to 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.03x. So total dr equal to 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.03x into dx. Total revenue from sale of 100 units. You should find out the total revenue from sale. Total revenue from sale of 100 units. Sale of 100 units. Total revenue from sale of 100 units. So what is the value? 100 units. dr integral dr equal to integral 0 to 100 0 to 100 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.03x into dx into dx. So r equal to 5x plus 3 e power minus 0.03x by minus 0.03. 0.03, the limit is given. What is the limit? 0 to 100. The limit as 0 to 100. So what is the value for this? Revenue R equal to 5x minus 3 e power minus 0.03x by 0.03. The limit is 0 to 100. The limit is 0 to 100. When we cancel this, what is the value? 0.01. The value is 0.01. So R equal to 5x minus e power minus 0.03x by 0.01, limit 0 to 100. Now you can substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. 5 into 100 minus e power minus 0.03 into 100 by 0.01. Upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is what? 5 into 0 minus e power minus 0.03 into 0 by 0.01. Lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. It gives 500 minus e power minus 3. E power minus 3 by 0.01 minus into minus, but anything multiplied by 0, you can get the value 0. The next one is what? Minus into minus become plus e power 0. E power 0 by 0.01 e power 0 by 0.01. So it gives 500 minus the value is given what? E power minus 3 is 0.05. The value is 0.05 by 0.01, 0.05 by 0.01 plus 1 by 0.01 plus 1 by 0.01. So it gives 500 minus 0.05 by 0.01 into 100 plus 1 by 0.01 into 100 into 100. So what is the value? 500 minus 5 by 1 is 5 plus 100 plus 100. So it gives 600. 500 plus 100 is what? 600 minus 5. 595. 595. So they are asking about the total revenue. We are asking about the total revenue. Okay, in thousand of rupees. So therefore total revenue equal to, therefore total revenue in thousand is 595 into 1000. So the answer is what? It is rupees. The answer is 5 lakhs 95,000. The answer is 5 lakhs 95,000. Is it clear, children? You have any doubt? You have any doubt? Now we move on to the 11th sum. What is the 11th one? See the 11th sum. If the marginal revenue, 11th sum, if the marginal revenue function for a commodity is, it is given like this, MR equal to, marginal revenue equal to 9 minus 4x square. See the sum. Find the demand function. Demand function, you should find out what is the formula for demand function. R equal to Px. See here, P is the demand function. P is the demand function. That MR you can write as what? dr by dx equal to 9 minus 4x square. dr equal to 9 minus 4x square into dx. So integral. First we should find out the r. Okay, integral dr equal to integral dr equal to integral dr equal to integral 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square into 9 minus 4x square into dx. So r equal to 9x minus 4x cube by 3 plus CRK. Anything you can write, no problem. Okay, this is R only. Here, see here, when no product is sold, therefore revenue is 0. There is no revenue. No product sold, no revenue. When no product is sold. No product is sold. When no product is sold, become revenue is also 0. Revenue is 0. Revenue is 0. Therefore, x equal to 0, r equal to 0. You can substitute in this equation x equal to 0, r equal to 0, 0 equal to 9 into 0 minus 4 into 0 by 3 plus k. What is the value of k? K equal to 0. Therefore, r equal to 9x minus 4x cube by 3. K value is what? 0. K value is 0. Therefore, r equal to 9x minus 4x cube by 3. 4x